In winemaking, it's important to know how much sugar is in the juice that you're fermenting. Knowing the sugar level at the start of fermentation tells you the potential alcohol levels. Knowing the sugar level at the end tells you when the fermentation is finished. One way to follow the sugar level is to measure the specific gravity of the juice using a glass hydrometer. This is a glass hydrometer and cylinder. The hydrometer is placed in the tube and filtered juice is added until it reaches the top. The hydrometer floats at the correct reading. Most hydrometers are calibrated at 60 degrees Fahrenheit. You may need to adjust your reading slightly if the temperature is different. Depending on the type of juice, the initial reading will probably be between 1.1 and 1.060. Here's a reading of this red after 4 days of fermentation, 1.020. The reading at the end of fermentation should be between 1.0 and 0.990. This white is almost there. The hydrometer helps you to know when your fermentation is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not like and subscribe?